dude. What you got going here? Trackmasters. We took all the glow-in-the-dark pieces we had and then some that weren't glow-in-the-dark, and we put them all in one track. We thought we would do a glow-in-the-dark version and get them all going at the same time.
We have Percy.
We have Percy.
Yeah.
So we have glow-in-the-dark, or Hyperglow Percy, Hyperglow Ashima. He's not a glow-in-the-dark one. And Nia. And we got some cargo cars that glow in the dark. So we're going to turn the lights down low. I don't know how this is going to turn out on camera.
I got Thomas. Mia. And Percy.
All right. Now, let me see if we can still see in the... Oh, we can. We can still see the track. Oh, look. It's just like a... It's almost like a shooting star with a glowing tail. All right, that's pretty cool. I know it's kind of hard to see, but let me get a little bit closer. It really makes the track glow. Check it out. Wow, that is so cool. Look at all of them. Oh, somebody got stuck. You can see where you got stuck right there. That's so cool. And then you can see where we don't have glow-in-the-dark track. It's like a tunnel. That's where we should put a tunnel. Yes. That's pretty cool. Whoa! Look at that intersection. That's awesome. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alex, we got somebody stuck right there. It's hard to keep up with all of them. Oh, here. There we go. There we go. Good. Switch them up every now and again. Here comes Percy, man. He's speedy. I'm switching it. Every other one goes the other way. Uh-oh. Somebody jumped the track again. There we go. We'll get those two split up a little bit. All right, let's change this one. Some of these have a little more juice than the others, and they keep catching them.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Watch out now. All right, we're gonna let Kevin go that way. I don't know why they keep stopping.
And Percy.
Look at him go. Uh-oh, we got one running away. Get Kevin, get Kevin. He's over there.
Mommy, put him on!
This is a crazy intersection right here. All right, bud, what you think? Me too. I think it's awesome. We got to work on that intersection, though. We might have to do something else there. Look at that. It just causes confusion and delay. What? And, you know, Victor's going to be real busy with all those engines he has to repair.
Thanks for watching Let's Play Friends. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.